Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating trend that's making waves in the digital world. Older Aussies are trading traditional pastimes like crosswords for creative coding classes. It's an intriguing shift that not only challenges our assumptions about aging but also highlights the power of technology to engage and empower seniors. So, let's explore why this trend is happening and what it means for the future of digital inclusion. First things first, let's talk about the stats. According to the article, people over 65 have an average digital ability score of 58, which is significantly lower than the national average and especially compared to 18 to 34-year-olds. This disparity in digital skills is a real concern, especially as technology becomes increasingly integral to daily life. But here's the interesting part: older Aussies are taking matters into their own hands and seeking out coding classes and AI workshops to bridge this gap. One of the key figures in this story is Thomas McCoy, a 62-year-old IT consultant and trainer. McCoy's journey into teaching began after completing his master's degree as a mature student. He found that his peers were mostly interested in training young people, so he decided to focus on his age group. This personal motivation is what drives him to create accessible and engaging learning experiences for seniors. McCoy's approach is unique. He uses a platform called Scratch, which allows older people to learn coding in bite-sized chunks. It's like puzzle pieces with bits of code written on them, and users can put those pieces together to create games, interactive videos, and more. McCoy believes that coding can be more fun than traditional pastimes like crosswords and Sudoku, and it opens up a world of creativity and problem-solving. The demand for these coding classes is strong, as evidenced by the Byron Seniors Club in Byron Bay. The club offers free digital training and one-on-one sessions, and they've become so popular that classes are booked months in advance. Renuka Nikhail, from the Byron Seniors Club, highlights the passion of their volunteer, Jackie Barker, who is dedicated to helping seniors with IT and digital skills. This community-driven initiative is making a real difference in the lives of older people. But why are seniors embracing coding? Well, it's not just about the technical skills. As Nikhail points out, many older people feel they don't have the skills to keep up with the digital world, and they're right. Technology is constantly evolving, and it can be overwhelming. However, with the right support and resources, seniors can gain confidence and independence in the digital realm. The federal government's BeDigital website is a great example of a resource that's making a difference. It offers hundreds of free courses for people over 50, providing a comprehensive digital training hub. This kind of support is crucial in bridging the digital divide and ensuring that seniors can stay connected and engaged in the modern world. In conclusion, the trend of older Aussies trading crosswords for coding classes is more than just a passing fad. It's a powerful statement about the potential of technology to transform lives and communities. By embracing digital learning, seniors are not only acquiring valuable skills but also finding a sense of purpose and engagement. So, as we age, let's remember that learning is a lifelong journey, and technology can be our greatest ally in this adventure. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.